Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. I am also fine. Once again, I have brought some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. Look at this. All ideas are new and unique, and I am sure you will like this video. I always try to bring some new and unique ideas for you. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel, then please subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you can receive the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. You can take the screenshot of the picture or you can save the video. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye.